Okay, so you guys are ready for my announcement, even though I don't have Babe and Tyler with me, but I wanted to show you guys exactly how my package came before I open it. So I don't open it yet, I only pull it out of the big envelope, and this is what my package looks like. So we're about to find out exactly what it looks like inside here. And as you can see, it is well packaged, it is secure, and ooh, neat. So this is what is inside of the package. As you can see, the logo is on the bag. It says styles update every day, no more than $39. Okay, so let's see what is in here. And as you can, I'm just discovering as you guys are discovering right now, because I wanted to show you guys what my what it looks like in there. And as you can see, it comes with this case, which is pretty cute. I like it. And there's something else that is in here. I don't really know what this is, but I guess I'll find out at some point. I think you screw for the glasses that if one fall out you can add in, but that's pretty cool. All right, you guys, so here goes. Ooh, so this is the glasses that I chose. As you can see, it's blue because I'm a stylish kind of girl. So I just wanted to show you guys what the packaging look like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try it on, I'm gonna wear it for a few days, and then I'm gonna give you guys my feedback, which is coming up right now. Hey faves, welcome back to our channel. And yes, you guys, it is just me today without the boys, and your girl is looking all sort of chic and looking beautiful in her new glasses, honey. You guys, I have been rocking these glasses. Don't mind the reflection of my computer screen. That's because I have some information on it that I need, and it's so distracting. But it's not just the computer screen, it's the camera that, okay, I think if I sit at this angle it should be better, or if I sit like this. So you guys, I have been rocking these glasses for a few days. They're my newfound love. So let me just go ahead and tell you exactly about these glasses, okay? So this company by the name of Firmoo have reached out to me to offer me these beautiful, chic, stylish, have my name written all over them glasses for me. And it is actually not prescription. You guys know that I wear prescription glasses, but these are not prescription. They're just chic glasses for any occasion whatsoever. So because I wear glasses, you guys know that I'm a glasses kind of girl, okay? So I have been rocking these and I have been loving them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you about Firmoo. So this company reached out to me by the name of Firmoo, as I showed you earlier how the package came, because I wanted you guys to see exactly what the packaging look like before I actually show you the glasses. So what happened is Firmoo is an online glasses company. Say what, you guys? Online glasses company, which means that all you need to do is go on your computer, select the glasses you want, and your glasses is shipped to you in no time. And what is so awesome about Firmoo and your glasses is that you can upload a picture of yourself and try on the glasses onto your face to find your exact fit. If it's a prescription glasses that you want, you just send them your prescription and they give you exactly what you asked for. They give you the exact simple steps that you can follow in order to order your glasses. So they sent me some glasses to choose from, and this one, when I saw it, honey, I just had to choose this one, and I think it fits me perfectly. It is so my style. It makes me feel extremely kind of teacher-like. And by the way, you guys, there will be an announcement at the end of this video, a huge announcement, a life-changing announcement. I am super excited to tell you guys what that announcement is gonna be. So if you guys want to know what this announcement is gonna be, continue to watch this review and you'll find out what exactly I'm talking about. And these glasses come just in time for that. All right, you guys, so this is a chic style kind of glasses, and the quality is awesome. So this is the glasses that I chose. As you guys can see, it is blue frame with some streaks of white in it, and it's just pretty cool. My experience with ordering my glasses from Firmoo was easy. It was simple. The instruction was there and it was right at hand. And what I was surprised about while ordering my glasses is that if I have a question, I would shoot an email and I would get back an instant reply in no time. If I have any query, I'll send an email, I'll get back a reply, and I didn't have to wait long. You get to have a one-on-one service with one of Firmoo's representatives. Any question you have, you can shoot them a message and you get back your response in no time. So go ahead and order your glasses and enjoy the Firmoo experience, okay? And they also follow up with you after you get your glasses. They make sure that you get your glasses. They make sure that you check your glasses to see that nothing is wrong with your glasses and it's intact. And if it's a case where there is something that wrong with your glasses when you receive it, you could simply return it and they would fix the problem. And my glasses was here within like 3-4 days after I ordered my glasses was here. I got to try it on, and what's so cool about it is that inside this package it also come with some extra screws, and the screw, like the screw needle to screw the screw in. So if in any case anything happened with your glasses, you can simply just add your screw in all by yourself. But like I said, this glasses has been really cool and fit my personality a lot. What is even more awesome about these glasses is that I got these glasses for under $30, you guys. The one that I ordered cost about like 19 something. I don't really remember the exact price, but I know it's not more than $20 and it's under $30, you guys. That's a steal for this kind of stylish glasses, and I'm loving it. Under $30, that's a steal, a complete steal for this kind of stylish glasses. Who wouldn't want that? And if you guys want your own glasses, you guys right now can go ahead and click the link down below in the description box. You can buy one and get the second one free, honey. Yes, so all of my subscribers can go ahead and use the coupon code below and the link down below to buy one get one free. And just shoot them an email, the information. I'll put all the information down below in the description box about my experience with Firmoo, so you guys can go ahead and enjoy the experience that I enjoy. And like I said, this glasses is under $30. It was really cheap. The process was easy. The shipment came in no time. I was really surprised when it was right at my door, and it wasn't even delivered in my mailbox. It was delivered to the door, right into my hands. So that was super exciting. Okay, so you guys are ready for my announcement, even though I don't have Dave and Tyler with me. But my announcement is your girl is no longer a stay-at-home mom. Well, in some case, I have signed my first job French contract. Okay, I will start working. Yes, I will start working. Can you take that all in with me? I'll be start working. I won't tell you guys exactly what I'm doing or where I'll be working, so please don't ask. Okay, just know that you girl will be working a few days, not every day of the week. So with all my faves that loves to know exactly what I'm up to, there you guys have it. I'll be start working. When you guys see this video, I won't be off to work as yet. It will be a few days after this video that I'll start my first day at work. So wish me luck, you guys. I'm super excited to head back out to work. It's been a long time. It's been a long time coming, and I'm super excited to start. So yeah, that's what I have to tell you guys, and I know you guys will all be happy for me. But on that note, go ahead and get your glasses. You have tons and hundreds and so much glasses to choose from to fit you and fit your personality, and try them on and see which one you like, and use up that coupon code to buy one get one free. Okay, so there you guys have it. And you guys know that if I didn't really love these glasses, and if I didn't really think this glasses was worth it, I wouldn't be doing this review. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you do go ahead and order any glasses from Firmoo, be sure to tell me how your experience went, as I hope you guys will really have a good experience like I did. It's simple, so I don't see why you guys wouldn't. So go ahead and order your glasses, enjoy, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.